Hello friends, it is Tuesday, July 14th. I wanted to make a quick video here about the power of making decisions. Something that I just did recently, I made two very important decisions. But I want to lead up to it by saying that last year, late in the year, I was so stressed out from a corporate situation, a corporation that I had started. I had a talk with a very good friend of mine, Laura. Thank you, Laura, if you see this. She helped me to sort through things and make my own decisions based on my own values, my own convictions, and the direction that I saw myself going. Well, I dissolved the corporation January 5th this year, and it set me free because we were getting nowhere except in debt. A lot of debt, right? Well, we still have the debt. Now I have two clinics. I've been working solo. Well, of course, you got to add Magdalena into this. She runs the first location of neuromotor training in Mexico, which is San Luis Potosi. It has taken a little bit, but now it's picking up, and it's fantastic. And she is the single greatest physical therapist I have ever known in my life, in my career, anywhere in the world. So thank you, Magdalena. Eres increíble. And then we have another situation. Okay, well, that wasn't a situation. The situation was what to do in another location in Jalapa. All I'll say is I made a decision. The location is moving, and I'm very happy with it because where it's going to go and who's going to take over within Jalapa is going to be so good. But I had been waffling over this pretty much since I opened back in April because things didn't feel right. Everybody was nice and fine, but things weren't right. And there's another thing happening here at home based neuromotor training in Camillus, and there's been so much going on with that. There was so much high pressure, and I just decided the other day, 2 days ago, you know what? I know what I'm going to do. And without going into the details of what I'm doing here in Camillus, other than we're going full bore, full stop, baby. We're pulling out all the stops. We are going to be in Camillus. We're going to be kicking butt for as much into the future as I can see. Years and years and years. We're going to be there, and we're going to be helping people. But there was a lot going on within the business that needed to change. And focus needed to change. Direction needed to change. For the people who come to see us, nothing will change other than our services will get better. They'll get more attention, better prices. There's a whole lot I had to do, but I've been waffling over that for months because I wasn't sure what direction to take. I had three options for actually this location and Jalapa, and I decided which option to take in each location. And you know what? The power of making the decision is so liberating because I based it on the values that I have as a person who wants to help people. The values I place on the people who come in repeatedly and do the work and realize the results that they see. They depend upon us here and in Jalapa. You know what? And in San Luis. But San Luis is going fine. Magdalena runs that. She's the boss of neuromotor training in Mexico. Most amazing physical therapist I've ever met in my life, anywhere in the world, is Magdalena. Thank you, Magdalena. But Laura, 2 or 3 weeks ago, talked to me, and I sorted through some things. So this is the second time Laura has helped me through with some major decisions, but not telling me which way to go, but helping me to sort through things, see where I should be based on my values and my intentions. Laura, thank you. Because now these two decisions have made it possible for me to, first of all, lift the burden. People are telling me today I look younger. I feel so energetic. It's 100 degrees outside. I rode my bike into work. I rode it back 10 miles each way approximately. I feel great. I feel energized. But I also feel energized because I don't have this thing weighing me down of needing to make a decision. I made the decisions. They are non-negotiable. Things are going to go so well now because I can pour my efforts into the things I need to do to make these two locations kick butt and help people. That is the number one priority, to help people. So I learned that, again, as a reminder to me, the value of making a decision cannot be measured, but the benefits are immediately realized. As I'm riding my bicycle on Sunday, 2 days ago, I don't think I said this yet, which I consider my thinking machine. Every time I've ridden a bike since I was a little kid, I solve problems on my bicycle. I've been riding a lot today, this week, the past few weeks. And I solve my problems. I have focus. Okay, so I'm so excited about the future of neuromotor training in Camillus, New York, right where we are at the Preventive Medicine Associates Complex, and excited for the San Luis location, which is picking up and doing really well, and Magdalena is the best, and our new location for Jalapa, which will be announced in about 2 weeks. We're moving. We have 2 new physical therapists taking over. Is going to be a win-win all the way around. It couldn't possibly be better. I did have 3 directions to choose from with each location, and not having to think about that anymore is a complete game changer for my emotional, my mental health, and my physical health, my energy, everything. So if you're waffling, trying to make a decision, don't get over-analysis paralysis. I tend to go that way sometimes, and I pay a dear price for it. It's a horrible price. Don't do that. Try to make your decisions. Get direction in your life. Focus. Get momentum. Find that purpose and just forge ahead. But of course, you want to make those decisions with integrity and with your values and morals aligned with integrity, right? So anyways, I just feel amazing. I can't even believe how good I feel from these 2 decisions. And thanks for listening. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.